What if I told you that right now, while you're scrolling, people are building real businesses that run on artificial intelligence? No coding, no fancy degree, just a laptop and smart thinking. Today, I'll show you 5 AI businesses you can start today, even from your bedroom. And the last one? Almost nobody is talking about it. But it could make you thousands. Imagine being the person who connects businesses with new clients, automatically. With AI tools like Bardeen or Zapier, plus ChatGPT, you can build systems that handle DMs, schedule meetings, and follow up with leads. All without you touching a thing. Many small businesses will pay $500 to $1,500 a month for someone who can automate their sales pipeline. You just set it up once and let the AI do the talking. Everyone online needs content, but nobody has time to post on 5 platforms. That's where you come in, an AI content repurposing agency. You take one YouTube video, podcast, or blog and transform it into dozens of short videos, tweets, or carousels, all with tools like OpusClip, Submagic, or Video.ai. You can charge $200 to $1,000 per creator, per month, and you don't even have to edit everything manually. Chatbots are no longer just for big tech companies. Local shops, restaurants, and online stores are using them every day to answer questions, take orders, or collect leads. You can create custom chatbots with Manychat, BotPress, or Flowise, and sell them for $300 to $2,000 depending on the complexity. Imagine a restaurant that gets 20 new customers a week because your chatbot replies instantly on Instagram. That's powerful. Companies collect tons of data, but most of it is a mess. Emails, spreadsheets, duplicates, errors. It's chaos. With tools like OpenRefine, ChatGPT, or Python automations, you can clean and organize business data fast. You don't need to be a data scientist. Just learn to use AI prompts that detect patterns and fix them. Many startups will gladly pay $1,000 plus for a clean, usable dataset. Email overload is real, and people are starting to pay for someone or something to manage it for them. With Superhuman, Gmail plus ChatGPT plugins, or Missive, you can train an AI to prioritize emails, auto-reply to simple ones, and to summarize long threads. You can sell this as a service to busy entrepreneurs or agencies and easily earn $500 a month per client. It's like becoming their digital assistant, powered by AI. AI is creating a new kind of opportunity, one where you don't need millions, just creativity and consistency. Start with one of these ideas, learn as you go, and watch how fast your income and your skills grow. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe, because every week we share the most powerful ways to make money in the AI era. Daily dose of money.